Yeah, pero narinig ko, ikaw daw ang reyna ng bitch face sa TikTok,
Ay,
ha?
Oo.
Ano yung pinaka-sumikat sa'yo na TikTok?
Yung
Nakilala ka?
skit. Yung skit ko during the pandemic, and then may title yun sa umpisa eh. Parang, paano pag pinakilala mo ang boyfriend mo sa tita mo, pero hindi niya ito gusto, how will you handle it? And then yung kilay ko, may sarili siyang buhay.
Pwede ba isample lang
Pakita mo
natin
lang.
dito, ha? Isample lang natin
Kaya mo ba?
sa low barkada. O sige, okay. Rolling and 1-2. Action.
Paano pag in-interview ka ni Je and ni Bri? Kakayanin mo ba? O kakayanin ba nila? How will you handle it?
Taray! Ikaw, how do you handle yung ngayong nandiyan ka na sa 30s mo? Ano yung feeling mo nagbago nung bata ka?
Well, you feel the pressure. Yung mga kasabayan mo, siguro naramdaman nyo ito at a certain point, na yung mga kasabayan mo nag-aasawa na, kakaanak na, kung ano lang, parang in a sense, how we see success in life.
It's like getting married and having kids is an achievement. Parang ganun. Well, I am not discrediting that, no? Kasi ganun naman din talaga sa ibang tao. Like for me, that's how I felt also. But there are people who get pressured by that and then
Yun nga.
eventually realize na hindi para sa kanila yun.
At
The
hindi pa
society
tama oras.
Exactly.
has to stop pressuring
Stop.
people. When are you getting married? When are you having a baby? When is your next baby? The fuck?
Every single fucking reunion.
Diba? Parang, minsan hindi ka papunta sa hawakan na yung tiyan mo. May laman na ba yun?
Siguro pwede
Get
nang gawing
off
skit
me.
yan.
Parang we're so busy living our lives for other people to please them. Sadly, unfortunately, for our titas, titos, parents, that we forget to live our lives for us.
Yan.
Correct.
Ito hindi ko makalimutan, binlock ko talaga siya eh. Ang payat mo na, hindi ka magandang example sa kabataan, anorexic ka, mukha ka ng bungo, ang pangit mo. Block talaga na parang, that's so harsh.
I mean, a lot of people hide behind fake accounts or dummy
Oh
accounts.
yeah. Hypocrites.
Para lang,
I agree.
to make them feel good by putting other people down.
Mm.
And I mean, I think that's the worst eh.
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano, parehong talented.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Life Over Whiskey Podcast, where we share valuable life lessons and stories you can learn from over a glass of whiskey. My name is Brian,
And I'm Gerald.
and today, Direk, may naimbita tayong very special guest.
Kaya nga,
Pwede mo bang hulaan kung sino to? Kilala mo ba to?
alam mo, sa totoo lang, ngayon lang kaming araw na to
Nagkakilala.
Pero, parang feeling ko, tagal ko nang kilala kasi parang feeling ko,
Oo
my
nga eh.
sister from another father, from another mother.
From another mother,
Oo.
exactly. And very interesting tong guest natin na to. Shall I introduce
Of
our
course.
guest?
Go ahead, Bri.
So itong guest natin, she is an acting director for TV commercials, a content creator, as well as an artist kay Ogie Diaz lang naman.
Aba, bigatin
Bigatin
pala
to, Derek.
Oo naman.
So without further ado, let us introduce Miss Lay Ang.
Hi!
Hi, Lay.
Hi, kuya! Hi!
Bakit nga ba, kuya?
Aba, mas maganda kay Lay manggaling
Ah,
kung
kay
bakit
Lay
niya ako
galing.
kuya.
Well, surprisingly,
Behind the scenes, exactly.
behind the scenes, when I got here, nagkatanungan lang, bakit parang magkamukha tayo? So, we discovered that we're both part Persian.
Yes.
Pareho kaming Iranian. So,
Correct.
kuya?
Oo. Hi. Hindi ko
Long
tawag
last
na ate.
sibling. Tsaka diba, wala ka namang kapatid, diba?
Wala.
Meron na
wala.
ngayon.
Meron na
Meron
ngayon.
na. Tsaka maganda nga
Ngayon mo
doon.
lang nahanap.
Oo, di ba kanina, Bri, pagkakita pa lang natin, for some reason, click agad tayo sa kanya.
Exactly.
Di ba?
One of the boys.
Yeah.
One of the boys. And speaking of,
Mm.
she's also in production.
Yun na nga.
Pag-introduce nga natin, assistant director.
Kaya nga, ang galing, kumbaga parang no dull moments kanina.
No
di
dull
ba?
mo. Exactly,
Galing.
exactly.
Pero hindi naman natin ni-reveal yung, or kinuwento niya yung mga deepest, darkest secret niya.
Wala
bang-
pa. Gusto mo ba?
Yeah.
Teka lang, inom muna tayo.
So, Lay, what's your deepest darkest secret?
Alam nyo ba si ano? Wow!
Oy! May pa-reveal pala siya.
Kaya nga.
Hindi. Pero siguro, Lay, kasi lagi namin to ginagawa when we invite a guest on our show. Pinapakwento muna namin sa kanila kung ano ba yung backstory nila, ano ba yung pinanggalingan ng ng buhay nila. Sino ba si Lay Ang?
Yan.
Ayan.
Ang lalim. From ano ba to? From way back? Or medyo mid na?
Siguro we'll start first sa...
How did you grow up?
Oo,
Okay.
yun muna.
Alam ko
So-
may similar backstories kayo, but
So
Let's
I
hear it
have
from
2
you.
older sisters. One dad, but I never met him. He's pure Persian, Iranian yan. I never met him, so kaya ganito yung mukha ko.
Yeah.
Pero meron naman ako naging father figure, which is my lolo.
Filipino.
Espanyol.
Espanyol.
Yeah,
Okay.
Espanyol siya. So, pag tinanong niyo ako marunong mag-Spanish, ang alam ko puro mura. So, nag-away sila ng lola ko, puro mura. So, yun lang yung na-absorb ko. But yeah, anyway, growing up, since laking lolo ko, mama's girl, but laking lolo din ako. Ako yung sidekick. Lumaki akong titibo-tibo. As in, my mom would look for me and she'd find me up 40 feet the santol tree. Ganong level.
So technically, kung anong ginagawa ng mga batang lalaki,
Yes.
sumasabay
Sumasabay
ka.
ka.
Ayoko ng Barbie. Ang gusto ko, kotse, barel. Alam niyo yung barel na may red na bilog na pulbura?
yes, yes,
I
yes.
love that. Tapos gaganyanin ko pa.
Oo, yun nga. Naalala ko yun. Yun yung parang 38 siya. Tapos pag binuksan mo siyang gano'n, ilalagay mo yung pula na yun sa loob.
Oo.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yun.
So
Naabutan ko naman
nostalgic,
yun.
ha?
Naabutan
So
ko naman.
nostalgic.
Ay, hindi.
Baka sakaling yung mga kabarkada natin dito, mga low
Kaya
barkada,
nga.
naabutan nyo.
24 lang po ako.
Pwede bang maklaim din na gano'n tayo?
Yun. And then I grew up. Syempre, as I grew older, nagiging mas babae na. Ganyan. Lalo na nagka-crush na. Yung
Pero never ka
babae.
naman nagka-crush siya. Never ka naman nagka-crush siya. Same sex, right?
No.
No,
Oo.
talaga. Boy talaga.
Boyish ang
Okay.
even until now,
Okay.
I may dress very babae. Pero boyish, pamili ako sa kotse. So my husband and I, mahilig kami sa kotse. Pag may mga setup, ganyan, nagsiset up, tatanong talaga siya, anong color maganda, anong
One
makina
of the boys
maganda.
pala talaga to
Yes,
Galing,
lalaki
galing.
ako, ask me about cars, I know the parts, ganyan.
And that's why, a lot of, parang nakakasundo ka talaga na conversations with your
Yeah,
husband.
usually pag babae talaga feeling nila majoray ako.
Ganun.
They get intimidated.
Oo.
Kasi mukhang,
Pero,
facial
RBF.
features like, kahit naman sa'yo
Kuya!
direct eh.
RBF kasi.
Yeah.
Yun. And, yeah.
Yeah, pero narinig ko, ikaw daw ang reyna ng bitch face sa
Ay,
TikTok, ha?
grabe.
Oo.
Ano yung pinaka-sumikat sa'yo na TikTok
Yung
na nakilala ka?
skit. Yung skit ko during the pandemic, and then may title yun sa umpisa eh. Parang, paano pag pinakilala mo ang boyfriend mo sa tita mo, pero hindi niya ito gusto, how will you handle it? And then yung kilay ko, may sarili siyang buhay.
Pwede bang isample lang
Pinapakita mo
natin
lang.
dito, ha? Isample lang natin
Kaya mo ba?
sa low barkada. O sige, okay. Rolling and 1, 2. Action.
Paano pag in-interview ka ni Je and ni Bri? Kakayanin mo ba? O kakayanin ba nila? How will you handle it?
Taray.
As in, gumaganyan talaga yung may
Galing,
sarili
galing.
siyang buhay.
Buhay ang kilay.
So, pag may Botox, Doc, kailangan gumalaw to,
May buhay ang kilay, grabe.
Yes.
Galing. So, okay. So, you grew up, you never saw your dad. Tama ba?
Oo.
So, ang nagpalaki sa'yo, lolo-lola or mother mo?
The three of them.
The three
We
of
lived
them.
in one house. Yeah, with my 2 sisters.
Okay.
And then, ayun, at nag-college na ako, I took advertising because I always wanted to be behind the camera. Pagka-graduate ko, automatically, I graduated March 24, April 3, nagtatrabaho na ako sa production. Walang break-break. So, kung saan yung pera? Trabaho agad. So, I started as an EP trainee, so executive producer for TV commercials. Nag-train ako ng 1 year. And then, nag-EP ako ng 1 year. Para lang alam ko yung pasikot-sikot, the costings, the equipment, camera, ilaw, lahat yan, pati mga talent fee ng mga talents. Lahat. And then, that's when I wanted na to move forward to being a producer, which was my target from the very start.
So, ibig sabihin, since you were younger, or let's say college days, ang gusto mo producer, hindi director.
Oo. Gusto ko
Bakit?
talaga producer. Maano ko eh, manitpick. I like organizing. I am creative, but I don't think it's for a director. Kasi mas gusto ko yung organizing part, yung putting everything together, organizing, making sure walang mali, lahat pantay. Alam mo, even in the grocery, pag may hindi pantay, papantayin ko yan. Ganon. So, I'm very organized. So, sabi ko, gusto ko maging producer, which I was for 14 years. And then, I stopped when I gave birth to my second. Sabi ko, parang, alam mo naman sa production direct, talagang 24/7 halos ang
Correct.
trabaho.
Correct.
Sometimes nga, I say, para kaming mga on-call na,
Parang doktor, ano?
yes. You know, just to share, no, I had my worst experience. This was the moment that I said, this is not for me anymore. So, I had a commercial shoot. 3 days, producer ako. 3 days, 5 artista. Magkakaibang araw, iba-ibang artista, bigatin lahat. Kung bakit all those days pa, ang nangyari, yung panganay ko, dun pa siya nagkasakit. 3 days siyang naka-admit, 3 days siyang walang nanay. Thankfully, my mom was there. And my trusting yaya was there naman. But of course, it's different that
When you're
I wasn't there.
Yeah.
My husband, who's a director for TV commercials, was also busy. So, in and out siya. Ako shoot. Alam mo naman, pamorningan. Sabi ko, ang hirap na wala ako doon. So, that was the moment that sabi ko, parang hindi ko na kaya. I was already feeling it na, kakayanin ko pa ba to? And then, I decided na hindi na for me.
Yeah.
Because, kids grow up so fast. I
Correct.
didn't want to be absent. I want to
Yeah.
see them,
Mahirap pag pares kayo sa isang industry.
oo eh. I want to see them fall on their knees when they're learning to bike. Yung mga ganyan. Sabi ko, gusto ko dun ako. And then, nag-decide ako na lay low muna. Nag-direct din ako for a while dun sa mga suki ko na brands. Kasi I had brands na suki ko talaga, ako lang gumagawa. So, I directed for them.
As a director, not,
As a director.
pero as a talent din, sometimes.
No.
talagang
Talagang
directing
gusto ko
lang.
behind the camera. Gusto ko
Okay.
talaga ako yung nangingialam.
Okay.
Ganon. And then after that, sabi ko sa husband ko, mag-AD na ako. Because I love acting. So gusto ko na mag-AD. Kasi yun yung na-realize ko while doing directing. Ang gusto ko sa part of directing is telling them how to act. So sabi ko, why not just do that part? Since that's what I enjoy the most. So since then, until now, I am already an assistant director. It's been 4 years na nag-AD ako for, different brands. Mostly mga beauty, kaartehan. Obvious na mamaarte. Ganon.
Medyo curious ako eh. A little, parang take us a little back. No? Kailan ka, sabi mo kasi kinukwento mo kanina na medyo boyish ka growing up.
Until now naman.
Pero mas in touch ka na with your feminine side.
Oo, boyish na maarte. Ganon.
Do you remember an instance na, okay, parang na-differentiate mo na okay, what are the things that I like naman in like a feminine way?
Like material things?
Yeah, kasi sabi mo, ang mga toys mo
Well,
dati, mga panlalaki.
Oo,
How
panlalaki
did it
talaga
transition
eh.
ngayon na,
I remember, I was 12. My mom started buying me makeup. As in, powder. Tapos meron yung tagta 20 pesos na lip gloss na parang fruit flavors. Yung mukha ko may lechon after. So, she collected the colors for me. All the colors for me. Doon ako medyo nag-transition. Na parang I was already enjoying being a girl. And then my sisters were maarte, especially my panganay. So she would give me hand-me-downs. Pero at the same time, I still love doing boyish things. Like gusto ko even until now, sa amin ng asawa ko, ako nag-drive. Gusto ko pa rin yung mga boyish things to do.
hands-on ka, parang gano'n.
Oo.
Perfect ka talaga with what you do.
Oo. Parang feeling ko balance eh.
Medyo rare to si ano eh, no?
Rare
Rare
actually.
Pokemon eh.
Oo.
Kasi like, alam mo yun, you can, makakasundo mo talaga siya
Correct.
on multiple things. Hindi lang for, usual pag women, but also, mga gusto ng lalaki.
Correct.
Bagay talaga ito kabarkada.
Ay, ano barkada natin, ano? Pero, okay. Ano ang nangyari sa'yo, bago tayo magpunta sa topic natin, ano? Ano nangyari, paano ka nag-blow up sa social media?
Okay, ganito
Kasi sabi
yan.
mo, eto segundahan ko lang. Sabi mo, gusto mo sa back-end ka lang.
Yes.
Bakit ka nag-show up?
As I only realized that I wanted to be on cam during the pandemic.
Okay.
Kasi yung anak ko, yung panganay ko, Mama, I want TikTok. Sabi ko, no, that's not for kids. He was only 7 that time. Yeah, but I like to dance. Ganyan yung uso nun eh. Sabi ko, sige, let's just do a TikTok account for the family para puro kalokohan natin.
Yes.
That's why my handle is the Anggang. Kasi we're the Angs. And then we call us the Anggang.
Okay, so that's the story pala
That's
behind
how
the
it
handle.
started. This one time, I was so bored. Pandemic, I was browsing. Tapos may dinuwet ako. Na parang girlfriend siya, kunyari, nagdala siya ng regalo sa sa mom ng boyfriend niya. Duet ko nga, pero ginawa ko mataray. Yan na yung regalo mo. Kasing ganyan. Nagulat na lang ako the next day pag-on ko ng TikTok ko. Oh my God, ang daming bagong followers, ang daming views. Sabi ko, oh, this is fun. Ang daming nang-aaway sa akin. Dami talaga nang-aaway. Sabi ko, ay, seryoso nila, content lang. So I started doing it and I started doing my own skits, yung how will you handle it nga, yan. And then, after nun, puro millions and millions na yung views. Doon siya nag-start. Tapos pinanindigan ko na, lalo na nung kumikita ako from it.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
brands would contact you, can you promote this brand for us? Sure. Diba? Yun, pinanindigan ko
So
na siya.
it was like a light bulb moment na, oh, hey, I like doing this and I also are able to earn from it. Tama ba?
Yeah. Oo. Parang you're having fun and earning at the same time.
Ang galing.
Which is fun.
Galing, oo.
Galing, galing.
Diba? I think the best way to earn is when you're having fun and you don't feel like you're really working.
Exactly.
Galing,
I agree.
Pero eto na yung part kung kailan ka tatanungin ni Brian sa bago naming segment. Fire away, Bri.
Hindi, pero bago yun, Derek, gusto ko lang tanong, kasi kinakala natin siya as artist ni Ogie Diaz. So, paano kayo nagka-connect? How is it na na-discover ka na? Na-discover ka ba na?
Sa kalokohan ko din
Sa kalokohan din sa TikTok.
Oo, kasi nga puro kalokohan ako sa TikTok. And nag-meet kami ng coffee shop bago kami nagkontrata, ganyan. He told me, Mama Audrey, kwento ko. He told me, sabi niya, before obviously naman, anyone will meet somebody before signing them up. Because of the notorious filters online, right? Like, may
Correct,
makikita
correct,
siyang talent online. Oy, ang gwapo nito. Oy, ang ganda nito. Kuhanin ko nga to. Pagkita niya, hi, Mama Ogs.
Ang layo.
Parang ako po yung kamit niyo. Ikaw na ba yun? Ganon. So, talaga nag-meet kami in person pa. And then after that, pinag-workshop niya ako kasi may workshop siya sa office niya. So, nag-workshop kami. And then we signed the contract already after.
Ang galing.
Grabe, from the back end, nag-show up na siya. Ikaw na yung nasa harap.
Oo, and I'm enjoying. That's what I want now. Na, it came as a surprise to me also. Kasi it wasn't me before. Before parang ako, mag-extra ka sa TVC. Kasi syempre sa production ako, minsan pinagtitripan nila ako ng mga direktor. Lakad ka doon kunyari, ganyan. Yoko, maduy.
Parang acting support, gano'n.
Oo, ganun. Yoko. Ngayon talagang gusto ko na. So, yeah, it's a surprise for me also.
Grabe, nag-evolve talaga tayo as human beings. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa question natin, meron kaming gusto malaman from you. This is the new segment na kinakwento mo, Direk. We ask the guest, ano ba yung top 3 qualities mo as a person?
I'm sweet, number
Sweet?
one. Yeah, I'm very sweet. Which, I'm very sweet and it comes with being, generous and thoughtful. Yun yung,
sweet, generous, thoughtful.
That's one.
That's one.
Oh my God, Bri!
No, when
Marami
you're
pala siya,
sweet,
guys.
you're, parang generous and being thoughtful comes after being sweet eh. Diba? Maalaga. Maalaga ako, yun. Mahilig ako. Very mommy, ganon. Very mommy or very ate. What else? Palaban.
Ba, Persian eh.
My friend calls it Persian rage.
Persian
Talaga?
rage.
Oo. Pag nakikita na niya ako nagpo-fume, ayun na yung Persian rage, takot kayo dyan.
Grabe. Pwede nyo gawing skit yan,
Di, pero alam mo, yung mga na-meet ko na, like sa Wake Park before, may mga na-meet ako mga Persian, ang napansin ko, isa yung character namin. Yung parang palaban. Yung parang, tas pag hindi mo kilala, akala mo masungit. But in reality, hindi sa pinopromote ko pero kami yung pinakamababait na tao.
Wait, what are you? What's your zodiac?
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius. How about you?
Taurus.
Taurus.
Ikaw?
Aries.
Aries.
Kaya ako sweet. Mga Aries, mga sweet. Di ba?
So to
Diba?
summarize,
No barkada, diba?
Totoo yan, promise. Oo.
so the three qualities mo again is
So, I'm
sweet.
sweet. I'm palaban.
Kasama na rin yung thoughtful and generous do sa sweet. Okay.
Sweet. Feeling ko yung maalaga nandun din, no?
Pag
So,
pinagsama
gawin na lang nating sweet, honest.
Honest.
I'm prangkap. But may preno ha. I choose my words. And palaban.
Palaban.
Alam mo, Bri, alam mo kung ano yung parang kinikilabutan ako?
Ano yan?
Parang feeling ko kaugali ko siya.
Alam mo, mirror? Alam mo
No,
parang mirror?
Mirror, totoo. When I was listening now, di ba, Brian was asking you, parang ko, shit, parang ako, babaeng version ko.
Kaya click tayo agad, no?
Kaya
Exactly. So, siguro with the conversations that we're having right now, it's quite interesting to hear you transition talaga sa buhay mo. And I think as we grow older, we realize certain things in life, di ba? So, ikaw ba, Derek, ano ba yung mga realizations mo when you're, siguro at this point in your life?
Ako? Well, ako yung energy ko, mas vinavalue ko na ngayon.
Valuing energy.
Because when you're young, yung energy mo, kung saan mo binabato yan Diba? Now, mas wiser ka na in terms of, should I choose my battles or hindi? Dati kasi pag bata ka, lahat
ka pang
ng
energy
lahat
So,
ng battle lalabanan mo But there's some battle na hindi mo na dapat labanan kasi meron ka pang bigger battle na dapat mong labanan.
as you grow older, you choose your battles in order to win the war.
I super agree with that.
Correct.
Totoong-totoo yan.
So, yun yung yun yung na-realize ko. And at the same time, na-realize ko rin na sobrang time is gold. As in literal. I mean, isipin mo, if you're wasting your time, let's say, on something na hindi siya ganun kung hindi magbe-benefit sa buhay mo, might as well, wag na lang. Or walang meaning at all. Walang bigat. So, yun yung ako na-realize ko. I'm 41. Turning 41.
Mukhang
40 lang.
40 lang.
So, yun yung na-realize ko. How about you, bro? Anong na-realize mo? Kasi,
Siguro we're different
Millennial ka ba? Millennial ka rin?
I'm a little younger. 20 lang ako. Tinarayan ako na.
kasi kami, I'm sure, we're both millennial. Are you millennial?
Millennial pa din ako.
Ah,
Pero
so
doon
ikaw
ako
yung
sa
cut-off.
malapit ng cut-off.
Okay.
So, umabot naman ako sa cut. Kaya nga yung mga pinakwento nyo kanina, nakaka-relate pa rin naman ako. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Okay.
Pero I think in the background ko lang as a family, kasi ako, buo naman family ko, no? Siguro I'm at a age right now na worried din ako na, alam mo yun, like, tumatanda na yung magulang ko, how can I give back and support them? So yung mga ganong conversations, apart from me trying to make it work in my own way sa buhay ko. So, yeah, I guess in terms of being able to prioritize yung mahalaga talaga sa'yo, to like preserve the energy, grabe talaga yung kailangan na as
So,
you
energy
grow
pa
older.
rin, Energy pa rin
Energy
siya
pa rin talaga
Energy, no? Ikaw naman ang gusto
Ikaw,
namin
how about
rin
you, Lay?
Ako, katulad ng sinabi mo kanina, I heard myself talking while you were talking. Dati kasi, well, I said palaban ako, no? But dati, mas palaban ako.
Correct.
Like,
Like,
parehas ka talaga kayo.
Parehas ka kami
Yung mga
talaga.
kinukwento nito.
if you take me, patay ka sa akin. Parang, what did you say? Ganyan agad ako. But now, I choose my battles. Parang, I'm not gonna waste my time on you. So, pag may buwisit, bala ka dyan, loser.
Oo.
Alis ako. Pero I only devote my energy and my precious time on people who are worthy. I can easily drop off toxic people in my life. Because you know what? I always say this, even to my friends, I always remind them, stress is our number one enemy. When you're stressed, it brings down your immune system. That's when you get sick. If you weren't stressed, taas yung immune system mo. 'Di ba? Bakit ang daming may sakit ngayon? Kasi ang daming stressors around us, ang dami sa environment, not only humans, but also the pressure from social media, from your classmates. Ang dami. So like you, excuse. As I grew older, like where I am now, I choose the people that I talk to. I choose where I go to. I already learned to say no. before kahit di ko kaya mag-yes
Yes
ako.
ka eh, no? Pag bata ka,
Same.
ganun talaga eh. Ganun
Oo
talaga
eh.
eh.
Parang, I think, Pinoy trait yan eh.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct,
Na you want to give.
Yeah. And we justify it na
But you're
matututo ko
giving.
dito. Oo.
But the thing is, you want to give in expense of yourself. You're already exhausting yourself,
At the
your
expense.
energy. Tapos, walang matitira sa'yo. Lalo na now that I have family, I owe my health and my energy to my family, to myself. So, pag may mga buwisit, bahala ka dyan sa buhay mo.
Grabe, no? Isipin mo ba na itong mga pinag-uusapan natin, pag-uusapan mo to at your early 20s or maybe yung younger days? No eh.
Hindi.
Kasi
diba?
when we're young, we feel invincible eh.
Correct.
Asan ka nung
Parang-
20 ka?
Wala, pumaparty.
Oh, di ba?
Pumaparty.
YOLO, bro.
Oo.
YOLO.
So, ako parang naisip ko, no, yung age na 30 to 40 or up to 50, yung mga years na yan, hindi mo maintindihan ang feeling ng isang tao kung nagkakaroon ka ba ng midlife crisis, quarter life crisis, or mas nagiging aware ka lang sa surrounding mo. Like, I mean, not to be negative about it, but yung mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi mo alam, may isa-isang nawawala. Whether end of friendship or
Sumakalabang buhay na.
so, sumakawala ng
yeah.
buhay na, di ba? So, parang ang hirap din maging adult, no? Aminin
Yeah.
nyo.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Mahirap din
Nakakapagod din minsan.
And we all go through our own shit.
Correct.
So sometimes you judge somebody so easily kahit na kaibigan mo. Parang ano ba yan? Ang arte naman. Ano ba yan? Dinadrama niya, ganito lang. Pero you don't know na iba yung threshold niya sa threshold mo eh.
Correct.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So parang ako, kanya-kanya na lang na buhay. Kung ganun yung impact sa kanya and you don't think that it will impact you the same way, kasi magkaiba kayo ng
Yeah.
threshold.
Let it be.
Yeah, respect lang.
Yeah.
Kung hindi mo kaya, then build space. Iwas ka muna onte.
Pero ikaw, Bri, kasi I guess you are the youngest here in this table right now. I mean,
Yes,
in this room. Sorry.
In this
Room pala, table tuloy. So anyway, ikaw, how do you handle yung, ngayong nandiyan ka na sa 30s mo, ano yung feeling mo nagbago nung bata ka? Kasi technically, naggaganon yung age natin tatlo. So we'll start with you kasi ikaw yung youngest, tas siya, tas ako. Ano yung nakita mong changes?
Well, you feel the pressure. Yung mga kasabayan mo, siguro naramdaman nyo ito at a certain point, na yung mga kasabayan mo nag-aasawa na, kakaanak na, kung ano nang, parang in a sense, how we see success in life. But then again, yun nga, iba sa tayo ng, ng path and what we really want in life. No? Yung change na yun, it sometimes nakakapagod dahil parang you try to play their game, pero you have to figure out how to play your own game.
Correct.
Something like that.
Sorry, so you're single.
I'm engaged.
Okay, you're engaged.
But not yet married.
Not yet married.
Not yet married.
But you know what? Sorry I just want to share. Kasi the way you said it, parang it's like getting married and having kids is an achievement. Parang ganun. Well, I am not discrediting that, no? Kasi ganun naman din talaga sa ibang tao. Like for me,
Yes,
that's how I
yes,
felt
yes,
also.
yes.
But there are people who get pressured by that and then
Yun nga.
eventually realize na hindi para sa kanila yon.
At
The
hindi pa
society
tamang oras.
Exactly.
has to stop pressuring
Stop.
people. When are you getting married? When are you having a baby? When is your next baby? The fuck?
Every single fucking reunion.
Diba? Parang, minsan hindi ka papunta sa hawakan na yung tiyan mo. May laman na ba yun?
Siguro pwede
Get
nang gawing
off
skit
me.
yan na Pinoy reunions be like.
Yeah, parang we're so busy living our lives for other people to please them. Sadly, unfortunately, for
Yeah.
our titas, titos, parents, that we forget to live our lives for us.
Yeah.
Correct.
Diba?
I think people are now getting a little bit wiser when it comes to that. Na
Yes.
hindi dahil sinabi na, hindi, mag-asawa ka na or magkaanak ka na. You know, you
Hirap
just,
ng buhay, no?
oo.
Eh, minsan hindi mo maintindihan eh. Minsan reunion, di ba? I mean, sa case ko, hindi ko naranasan. Ba't naririnig ko kasi?
Naririnig ko.
So, example, uy, kailan ka mag-aasawa? Eh, alam mo na nga walang asawa, tatanungin mo pa. Number 2.
Well, malupit pa dyan, walang jowa.
Ayun na nga. Ito pa, number 2. Uy, tumaba ka ngayon. Eh, nakita mo na nga tumaba, tatanungin mo pa.
Oh my
Diba?
God.
Off yun.
I experience that a lot now. I lost so much weight. And, it's not, I don't owe anybody my story why I lose weight, why I am still losing weight. And I get bashed because of it. Ang dami sa SOCMED ko nagko-comment, ang payat mo na, hindi ko makalimutan, binlock ko talaga siya eh. Ang payat mo na, hindi ka magandang example sa kabataan, anorexic ka, mukha ka ng bungo, ang pangit mo. Block talaga, na parang, that's so harsh. Hindi mo naman alam kung ano pinagdadaanan ng
As
tao.
much as you want to suspend your judgment sa tao na yon, sometimes they're projecting kasi their own maybe insecurities.
Exactly. There's one person on Facebook, on my page, no? Comment siya, ang pangit mo na sa kakaturok mo sa mukha mo, iba na yung mukha ka ng bungo. Basta sabi niya, sobrang payat mo na, ganyan. Sabi ko, anong turok? Kahit katukin mo to, buto to. Buto yan. Walang filler yan. Buto yan. Kasi pumayat eh. Siyempre, lalabas yung skull, diba?
Oh.
Pinagtripan ko, pinuntahan ko siya sa Facebook page niya, kinumentan ko lahat ng mga nakapublic doon. Tapos sa dulo, meron siyang picture na nakapost siyang ganyan. Tapos, may mga nag-comment, oy, te, pumayat ka na, ganyan-ganyan. Nag-comment ako, kaya mo pala binabash yung pagpayat ko kasi gusto mong pumayat.
Nakatulad ko.
Diba? Parang, that's why I remembered eh. Kasi you said na parang it's a mirror of how they feel.
Yeah.
Ang daming ganyan
People
unsolicited.
project talaga on social media kasi talaga eh.
Correct,
Diba? Pakailan mo sa weight ng ibang tao.
Tsaka minsan di ko rin magets yung ganyan eh. Yung parang tinothrow mo yung trash mo sa ibang tao. Gets mo? Parang kung if you're having a bad day or meron kang bad experience, do not throw your garbage truck to other people.
Gusto mo kasi ng kadamay.
Diba?
Exactly.
Oo.
Misery loves company.
Hindi, ako just
so
to
dadamay
share-
kita.
Just to share lang if you're having a bad day, let's say in the office, or let's say may na-receive kang bad news, kunyari lang, would you, when I speak to you now, let's say kanina, meron ako naging problem, would I lash it out to you guys? Of course not.
Hindi.
So sometimes, I don't really understand other people kung parang nag-feed on sila dun sa hate. Sometimes I don't understand it.
I think
Iniisip ko what is the motivation behind it.
You know, I think, go ahead.
Pares tayo, I think, eh.
Go ahead.
Pero I think, as we grow older talaga, natututo tayo to regulate our emotions, eh. So sometimes people, siguro dahil they're bombarded with everything on social media, they're not able to do that. So they lash out talaga.
Ako feeling ko din kasi lack of outlet. Itong mga taong to, they're deprived of expressing themselves. Pwedeng yung mga magulang nila sobrang higpit, sobrang sakal. Bawal ka magsalita, bawal ka sumagot, bawal mong gawin yan. Lahat bawal. So when it comes to SOCMED, pwede silang mag-type lang. Pwede nilang ilabas lahat ng frustration nila sa magulang nila at disappointment nila sa sarili nila. And pour it out on people online. And what do they say? Nasa online ka, panindigan mo yan. Diba? Yun yung tingin ko eh, na parang if you're a happy person, if you're content, and you are able to express yourself freely, you won't do such. Kasi masaya ka eh.
Tama.
And, I mean, a lot of people hide behind fake accounts or dummy
Oh
accounts.
yeah. Hypocrites.
Para lang, to make them feel good by putting other people down. And I mean, I think that's the worst eh. Na parang
hypocrites.
you're relinquishing responsibility of the garbage you put out there.
Yeah.
If you get what I'm saying. So parang, at the end of the day, whatever you put out there, it's gonna come back to you.
Correct.
Oh yeah.
Tenfolds.
I believe in
So
karma.
akala mo walang karma na nag-create ka ng damihan, tapos nang-bash ka ng parang wala namang unreasonable.
I believe in
It's
karma.
gonna come back to you, whether in whatever shape or form.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna live in your head rent-free. Di ba?
Yeah.
So how about you? Yung kanina, going back to my question sa'yo.
Ang habang.
Ay, grabe nga. Sorry.
Masyado tayo nag-enjoy.
So sa age mo ngayon, ano yung mga na-realize mo na sa tingin mo parang, oh, ganito pala, dapat noong ko pa ito naisip? Or how do you handle yung age mo ngayon?
Well, I would say that I am far mature than before. Kasi before, I like giving myself to friends. Like, I give a lot of my time. Pag may aya, punta agad. Pag may hiningi, hiniram, money, gamit, whatever, bigay agad. I hope I learned early on that not everyone you know are your friends.
Correct.
Now, I keep my group small but strong. I'm after quality than quantity. I hope that's something that I learned early on. But I don't have regrets because whoever I lost on my way here and whatever I threw away on my way here, I picked up something from those. So, masaya ako where I am now. I'm very happy with where I am now.
Galing. Galing.
And I, thank you.
Pwede na. Pwede ka na ba lumaban sa Pilipinas?
Kasi yan yung mga no? Kung isipin nyo, yan yung mga usually pinagdadaanan ng 30s hanggang 50s, 40s, 50s. Yung iba-ibang stress, iba-ibang adversities, iba-ibang struggle. Yung iba, career ang struggle nila. Iba, love life. Yung iba naman, financial. Diba? Iba-iba eh. But yung age na yun kasi, yung 30 to 50, diyan ka parang magkakaroon ng flashback. What did I do in my life? Diba? So that's
Ikaw.
why I ask you guys eh.
Ikaw, binalik
Bakit napunta sa akin, ha?
Sabi mo, pa ganon.
Kapatid, ha? Napunta sa
Sabi mo kasi pa ganon.
Ayan na, ayan
Parang kinu-close mo na yung
Kala mo,
segment without
sige.
sharing.
Parang gusto niya makatakas.
Diba?
Pero hindi.
Akala ko
Hindi.
Sabi ko
Makakakas
sa'yo,
ako.
be careful telling me to
Ayun na nga
ask.
eh.
So, ano sa'yo, Direk?
Ako, ang na-realize ko sa age ko, babalik lang ako doon sa energy kanina. Ako parang sometimes naiisip ko yung when you help other people, I love helping eh. Totoo, mahilig ako dyan na parang, kunyari, meron kang kailangan, kuya, kailangan ko ng ganito, I would go out of my way to help you.
Oh my God, you're me.
Totoo.
Pwede bang pakuha ng mirror dito? Pa-edit ka dito. Tapos, kunyari.
So, ako, parang, as a human being sometimes, minsan pag ikaw nangailangan ng tulong, parang hindi ka naman sa manunumbat eh. But you would want also some of your friends or maybe kung sino may natulungan mo to help you also.
Yes.
Diba? But, nung tumanda ako ngayon, parang na-realize ko nga, kailangan kong piliin kung sino yung tutulungan ko.
Mhm.
Kasi, minsan nakakapagod din eh. Babalik lang ako doon sa sinabi mo rin kanina na minsan give ka ng give na ikaw na yung nauubos.
Mm.
'Di ba? So, parang ako dito sa age ko na to, yun yung naisip ko na yung energy ko ilalagay ko sa mga importanteng tao sa akin.
Siguro partly because you realized na hindi same level of generosity eh.
Correct. Hindi naman it's not about gusto mo ibalik sa'yo eh. Hindi eh. Yung bang parang minsan lang meron kang na, bakit pag ako parang, ngayon minsan lang naman ako nangailangan eh, pero ba't pag ako parang hindi equal effort, di ba? So, masakit pa nun, minsan, kakagatin ka pa. Hindi ka na nga tinulungan, kinagat ka pa.
Yeah.
Di ba? So, yun yung mga learnings ko ngayon. And, ang isang learning ko, talagang you have to know when to let go.
When to let go.
Oh my God, amen.
Sa lahat ng bagay,
Amen.
ha? Sa lahat ng bagay yung when to let go, ha? Relationship, business, sa lahat. When to let go. You have to know when to let
Yeah.
go.
Totoo yan.
So parang nag-take away ka na pala.
Hindi naman. I mean, that's just my talaga, yung parang journey ko na na-realize ko dun sa age ko ngayon.
Yeah.
Diba?
Self-worth. In short.
self-worth.
Oo, self-worth.
Mahalin natin ang sarili natin.
Because you know, I always say, if you don't love yourself first, how can you fully love someone else?
Correct. I agree.
Siguro what I'm getting from this conversation lang, Direk and Lay, as we grow older, we realize what's really important for us. That's why we choose the battles. Because we want to win the war.
Yeah.
At the same time, we manage our energy, the people we're with, who are the people that we're willing to give our time, energy, and effort to. And maybe for the people who's watching this episode right now, I mean, you and I are not gonna be here for very long. So if you're someone who has found what you really are passionate about, ano ba yung gusto mo talagang gawin sa buhay, maybe your purpose in life, all good. Pero if you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Diba?
As for me naman, don't waste time. Time is the most precious thing in the world. More than money. How about you?
For me, stop making excuses for yourself just because you're lazy. Maraming ganyan.
Utol. Kapatid.
Long lost.
Ang dami, maraming ganyan eh. Parang,
Ito.
hindi, may sakit kasi ako, masakit ulo ko kasi ganito, ganyan.
Bukas na lang.
Oo, bukas
Bukas
na
na lang
lang,
gagawin,
mamaya
di
na
ba?
lang. Lazy.
That's why I love this guy too. Kasi ganyan kami. Pagka meron kami kailangan gawin natin ngayon yan. Tapusin na natin.
Oo, don't waste time.
Kung kaya mo naman gawin ngayon, bakit ipapagbubukas mo pa?
Correct. Ganda ng takeaway mo. Yung
Kung
low
unay
bar
pabukas
Oo,
ang
gawin mo na.
pangarap at kung ano talagang gusto mo gawin sa buhay.
So, Bri, saan ba siya makikita ng ating mga
Oo nga, with that siguro, maybe you can share sa ating mga kalobarkada, saan ka ba nila makikita?
Yeah, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Leishki. Yun lang yun. At Leishki, Leishki. That's all.
TikTok and Facebook ka ba? Saan ba?
TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I have YouTube also, but I'm not very
I
active.
think you should starting sa YouTube.
Yeah.
I tried.
Mahirap talaga din ang YouTube.
Oo pero market ko na sa talaga, Facebook, TikTok talaga.
O tandaan nyo, pag nagka-podcast to in the future, dito siya una nagpa-interview sa amin.
Yan.
Tapos kayo naman yung i-guest.
Yan! Gusto namin yan.
Ang galing.
Siguro with that, Direk,
And with that,
thank you so much for watching. Please follow us on our social media handles as well at Life Over Whiskey. And we will see you on the next episode.
stay pogs!
Stay pogs, guys. Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Relax na tayo, sober man o tipsy. Aral makukuha mo sa Life Over Whiskey.
Big Eyes Production.